How to test your fuel gauge. Start by installing the fuel gauge to the cluster. Make sure it is seated properly into the notches in the cluster. The stud on the empty side of the gauge is the positive. The full side is for the sending unit wire. Take the positive wire hooked up to your battery or power source and connect it to the positive stud on the fuel gauge. Then take the ground wire and ground it to the cluster. Now take a lead wire and ground one end to the cluster and the other end to the sending unit. Take the other lead wire and clip it to the sending unit stud on the gauge. Then clip the other end to the stud on the sending unit. When everything is hooked up, the gauge needle should be moving towards what the sending unit is set to. If the gauge goes to full, that means there is no ground. Have the sending unit start at empty and raise the arm. If the gauge needle is moving with the sending unit's arm, then the gauge tests fine. If the needle is not moving, recheck if everything is grounded properly. If the needle is not moving, and you have made sure that everything is grounded properly, then either the gauge or the sending unit is not working correctly. If you still have any questions or concerns, reach out to us at our website, classicparts.com. Thank you.